because it's gross stuff. But it tastes good when it's put all together.
Okay, good. Onions, garlic,
Onions, garlic, celery, balsamic vinegar.
tomato paste.
That's a big word for Elmo.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Slim Reaper. If you haven't heard of me before, I went viral last year for making these backpack shorts, and it was highly requested for me to show you a tutorial, and I am finally going to do that today. Today we're going to be using a black backpack and a yellow backpack. You can use whatever color you want or however many you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll only be using 2. So the first thing you're going to do is open the backpack and turn it inside out. And then you're going to cut the black tape, or whatever color your tape is, around it that's holding all the pieces together, because we should have 3 pieces by the end of this. This is the first piece. And then we're going to cut this black tape off to get the next 2 pieces. It's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. And of course, we'll be doing the same for the black backpack. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 pieces. I went ahead and removed the straps with the seam ripper, and it left some indentions, which is perfect because that's where we're going to cut. I'm showing you right there where we're going to cut. It should be literally like almost a perfect square by the time you're done with it. You might not have those indentions to go by, but just make sure it's like a perfect square, almost like what I'm showing you. And you'll use that as a template for the other, or the front part of the backpack to help cut it. Now that we have our 4 pieces cut, we're just gonna put them in place to how we want them. I want black on yellow, black on yellow. And then we're gonna cut the straps, which is that 3rd piece. So we have to cut a 4x4 piece off of this strap. Cut pretty close to where the zipper is, like how you see me doing. But it can be 4x4. Mine may not look like 4x4 because I'm a little messy and not very concise. But try to make it 4x4 depending on your size. These are the 2 4x4 pieces roughly. I think it's 4x5 more like. And then we're going to cut the remaining part off of that to use as the waistband. We're going to cut it off of both of those because we're going to have a 2-toned waistband. Those are cut. And now that we've cut everything, we're going to also take the straps off of that because we'll need them to put on the shorts. So we're going to take them off with a seam ripper. Perfect. Now it's time to sew. We're going to take the 4x4 piece, place it on the front of the backpack shorts and sew down where you see me doing, just like that right there. And we're going to do the same for the black side, the front piece. I'm going to show you what they both look like in a second. There we go. It should look like that, your 2 front pieces. And then we're going to take the back piece and flip it to where the 2 sides are facing and sew straight down. And we're going to do it for the other side too. And while you watch, I'm going to take a minute just to talk. Please let me know if anything is unclear. I'm not very good at teaching. I'm more of a shower. So let me know. Give me some feedback in the comments about what you think about this tutorial. I can definitely make another one if y'all need it or something more in depth. Okay, so cool. This is how it's going to look when you get done with that part. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Oh, but first you're going to sew that down. So just straight down there. And the shiny sides of the backpack should be the ones that's facing outwards. There you go. And you got your first leg. Alright, and you're going to turn it inside out once you've done both legs. Turn one inside out and leave one regular. because you're going to put the regular one inside, just like this, facing. So both the unshiny sides should be facing each other. I'm trying to show you, but it could be hard to see. All right. See it's shiny right there and shiny right there. That's how it should be. And then you're going to sew that closed. I'm trying to get a good angle of it. Just sew it closed. I hope that makes sense, y'all. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second, too. That's what I mean. You see how it's sewed closed now? That's what you do. And now we're just going to take it inside out. And we're almost done, guys. Literally almost done. See, we're making progress. There we go. Now we just got to do the waistband. And of course, clean up the seams at the bottom. This is the waistband. We're going to put them both facing each other, shiny sides facing outwards, and sew straight down. Just like that. And then flip them like I'm showing you here. And that's how we're going to attach the waistband on. I didn't mention earlier, I got the idea to do these backpack shorts. Somebody put a Twitter post on Instagram, and at first I didn't know who it belonged to because nobody said, everybody kept asking, hey, do you sell these, da-da-da? And the person would not respond to anybody, and I was just like, what? So I just decided to make them myself. I've been making them ever since. But I also found out that it was Nicole McLaughlin. She was the one that was her idea, so shout out to her. So I hope you guys see what I'm doing here. It's kind of hard to explain, but I just cut off any excess after I put the waistband in. I started from the back, and I'm cutting off the black side because it's two-toned. And then we're going to take a seam ripper and cut down the middle because we're going to have to put a zipper there. You won't always have to put a zipper depending on how you make it, but it's just always cool to have that zipper, especially for, you know what I mean? It makes it look more cool too. You won't always need it depending on how you make it. That's what the adjustable straps on the side are for. So we've opened that up with the seam ripper. I'm going to put the zipper in. There you go. And then I'm going to show you briefly that we're going to put the side adjusters on there. And I just sewed those on any type of way because I was pretty tired. I make a lot of these, so it's getting pretty old to me. I was supposed to take those off, but I just decided to keep them, and I just kind of sewed them any kind of way on the back, as you can see. And we are all done.